Let us find the Laplace transform of e to the at f of t. So we're finding the Laplace transform of e raised to the power of a constant a. A is multiplied by the variable t, and that function is multiplied by a function of t. Alright, now remember the definition of the Laplace transform of f of t is the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative st f of t dt. Alright? So that's the definition of the Laplace transform. Now let's look at this. The Laplace transform that we're looking at right now, e to the at f of t, is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative st times this e to the at f of t dt. Now, what is this equal to? Let's use our knowledge of the rules of indices. You see that e is raised to the power of st, of negative st here, and e is raised to the power of at here. So it is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the, what you do is add the powers, negative st plus at f of t dt. Alright? Now, this itself is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of, you have, let's put the at before the negative st, e to the at minus st f of t dt. Now, you can factorize the powers, so what you have here is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the power of, let's put t outside the bracket, t open bracket, you have a minus s, is a minus s f of t dt. Okay, so this is what you have. Now, here, what you have is going to be, instead of e to the at, is going to be e to the a minus s. Alright? Now, you're going to integrate that. You're going to perform this integral with e to the power of a minus s. Now, suppose you consider using integration by parts. Let us say we use the fact that the integral of u dv is equal to u v minus the integral of v du. Now here, now let u be equal to f of t, and let's see now, dv is equal to e to the t a minus s So du is equal to, you have to differentiate f of t. So it's f prime of t, and then v is the integral of e to the a minus s. So we integrate that. What we would get is e to the t a minus s divided by a minus s. If you work it out using integration by substitution, all right, that's what you would get. So what we have here, all of this is equal to the integral of u du is u, the integral of dv u dv is uv. What is our uv? We have f of t times dv, which is e to the t a minus s divided by a minus s minus the integral of v, where v is again e to the t a minus s divided by a minus s times du, which is f prime of t. Alright? So basically you're finding, it's like you're finding the Laplace transform of the function, but instead of saying e to the st, it is s will be replaced by a minus s. Alright? Now, I'm not going to do a specific example. In this video, I'll do a specific examples in the next videos. So I'll see you then.